how to fix this site can't be reached in your Google Chrome browser. So hello guys and welcome to this new short video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing, go into those three vertical dots here in the top corner and then click on settings. When you click on settings, now it will take you right here. All what you want to do is very simple. Just click on this privacy and security tab and click on check now from here. That's the first thing. After that, click on this cookies and other site data and choose allow all cookies. Go back and click on security, and now right here you have to choose the standard protection, or you can just choose no protection, but it's not recommended. After that, all what you want to do is restart your PC. Don't forget to like, subscribe.